Bonsoir les amis, we are on YouTube Master French with Vidyansshu. In today's video we are going to conjugate the verb pouvoir. Pronunciation is pouvoir. This means to be able to or can. In affirmation, we conjugate as in the following manner: je peux, tu peux, elle, on peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, elle peut. P-E-U-V-E-N-T. The pronunciation over here is peut, pouvons, pouvez, peuvent. So this is the conjugation in affirmation. In negation, sujet plus ne plus verbe plus pas. Je ne peux pas, tu ne peux pas, il, elle, on ne peut pas, nous ne pouvons pas, vous ne pouvez pas, il, elle ne peuvent pas. The pronunciation is je peux, tu peux, elle, on peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, elle, peuvent, je ne peux pas, tu ne peux pas, elle, on ne peut pas, nous ne pouvons pas, vous ne pouvez pas, elle, ne peuvent pas. The meanings are: I can, you can, he or she can, we can, you can, they can. I cannot. In negation, the meanings are: I cannot, you cannot, he or she cannot, we cannot, you cannot, and they cannot. So these are the meanings and the pronunciations in affirmation and negation, and this is how we conjugate the verb pouvoir in the present tense. Let's do some sentences for practicing how this verb is going to be used in the formation of a sentence. The first sentence is: Nicolas peut parler français. Parler means to speak. Peut means can. Nicolas can speak French. Parler means to speak. Now there is one rule that you must know, that when two verbs come together, one after the other, here the verb is pouvoir, and it is followed by another verb, parler. The first verb will be conjugated and the second verb will remain in the infinitive or original form. Only the first verb is conjugated. The second sentence: Marie peut chanter. Marie can, to sing. The verb over here is chanter. This means to sing. The pronunciation is chante. Mari can sing. Third sentence, les élèves. Because of the liaison rule, S will get connected with this E. The pronunciation will be élèves. Les élèves peuvent répondre à la question. The verb over here is répondre, which means to answer. It is in infinitive form. This verb is in infinitive form. This verb is also in infinitive form. The only verb that is conjugated is pouvoir. The students can answer the question. Nous ne pouvons pas venir demain. We have done the conjugation of venir. I am sharing the link over here. Kindly visit the link and watch how this particular verb is conjugated. Here the meaning of demain is demain, tomorrow. Venir means to come. We cannot come tomorrow. Nous ne pouvons pas venir demain. Je ne peux pas parler espagnol. This means pronunciation is español, which means Spanish. I cannot speak Spanish. Sixth one, vous pouvez regarder ce film. Here again the second verb is in infinitive form. The first verb is conjugated. This means, so means this. We have done the demonstrative adjectives. Kindly visit the video and watch it, how and when this particular demonstrative adjective is used. Pronunciation is same as in English film. You can watch this film. So the first sentence was Nicolas peut parler français, which means Nicolas can speak French. Second, Mari peut chanter, Mari can sing. Third, les élèves peuvent répondre à la question. The pronunciation is question. Meaning is the students can answer to the question. Fourth one, nous ne pouvons pas venir demain. We are not coming tomorrow. Je ne peux pas parler espagnol. I cannot speak Spanish. Vous pouvez regarder ce film. That is, you can watch this film. So this is all for today. Kindly conjugate the verb in affirmation and negation practices on a daily basis, and please share your sentences in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Press the bell icon so that you can get all the future updates on time. À très bientôt.